What's up, everyone? It's AbudgetPC here again, and we're going to do it a little different today since I have the PC built now. So we're going to take a look at it, see what we got inside. Some things had to change about the original build, but we're going to run it up for the first time, see if it works, how it looks, and hopefully everything goes great. So we're going to check it out right now. There it is, just standing there waiting to get on. There's my actual build. I'm going to hook it up and we're going to turn it on, alright? So here we are, we have the completed build now. I finally got it on. I had to split some cables and then tie them together because out of the box the power cable came split. So that was not too great. So I fixed it. And I have the new board in, and everything looks pretty nice. I think it's perfect yet, but you see, I got it running. It's also booting up on the screen. I got Windows 7 installing right now. So right now it's working. Just gonna take a quick look inside. We have a blue CPU cooling, 3 gigs of RAM, which I'm not going to keep in there. Once I get enough cash, I will get 4 gigabytes or even 6. I'm thinking of Corsair or some major brand in there, so it can look really good. There's my card. It is a ATI HD 4890. Does a very good job. Our GX 450 up there. Custom 80 centimeter King Wind fan. It's also blue LED. We have our blue LED in the front. You can't see, but it's a 120 in the front. It's pretty good. Move on to the back. Back looks like it's a very nice case. Okay. See, I kind of had a trouble with cables. I mean, well, from here it looks pretty good. I got like 1 or 2 of them. Try to do my best to keep it out, but this motherboard proved to be a little challenging. As you can see, like the 24 pin kind of crosses. Should have gone through the top, but there's not much places to really cable managements on this case. It's a budget case again, but the computer works. I'm hoping it will do my job. It's kind of hot up here, but it's because the PCU is right there. So that's what I've got so far. This is a P5Q motherboard by Asus, and it's only DDR2 if I did not mention that already, but we will work with it. We'll see what we get on Battlefield 3 once I get that running. So hope you enjoy this video. Rate, comment, subscribe. Again, this is AbudgetPC, and I'm Sean Coates. I hope you had a great day. I'll see you again soon.